Joy here. Another TikTok shop item. This is a makeup brush set, guys. First, we have here sponge. 2 pieces with case. Ang ganda. Ganyan siya, guys. And then, itong laman naman, guys, ng pouch. I'm not familiar, guys, with this brand, Maangge or Maangge. I am clueless about the correct pronunciation. Please do correct me if I'm wrong. Parang Korean, no? Maangge? Maangge? Oh, ang dami. Ang ganda. Ang cute ng brush na to, guys, kasi may cover. Ito yung pinili kong color kasi napaka-elegant tingnan. Ang classy, di ba? And then may another small brush. Ang cute. And then, yung ibang brush naman. Ayan. Ito din. Another one. Brush. And then, yung medyo smaller brushes. Ang ganda. And then, itong mga pang eyeshadows, eyeliner, ganyan. 23 pieces siya, guys, lahat. Yung brushes, including the sponge. Ayan, guys, kung need nyo yung mga ganitong brushes, nasa yellow basket ko. So, thank you guys for watching. Be beautiful and be kind. God bless!